Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So this is a bit of a different picture to the S&P 500, and main reason for that is that it's not overweighted with some of the big tech stocks. So there are a few tech stocks in the US 30 or the Dow Jones, but the likes of Microsoft, which is not technically one of those internet stocks, which is where people are scaling out of at the moment. So at the moment, we have broken above and we have closed above 29,240. Okay, I just want to put this other level in here as well because I think we tagged that as well. Yes, we did. Would have been a great area to buy into. You can see there, classic on the 3 hour, 28,965, classic range bar on a level. In an upward trend was up, moving up. But what we see at the moment is a bit of a wedge forming, and I'll pick that up on the hour for you. At the moment, there's nothing really else that we do have to the upside, so we're going to have to move the hour anyway. Okay, so there is the closest level right there, where we are now. You can see the inside tail there. So that gap has closed, but what we need to pay attention to here is this wedge. Okay, so we have a wedge between two pretty strong levels. Now, this could be the second attempt to the upside, but it hasn't broken up above this level here, so kind of in two minds, because we do have this wedge. I suppose it's almost a butterfly pattern, although I'm not really a fan of those kind of patterns anyway. So we had a downward wedge, and now we had a falling wedge, and now we've got a rising wedge. Okay, so for me at the moment, I think the key right now is to keep your horizontal levels in. Okay, get rid of your wedges. And what you're going to be looking for is breaks. I wouldn't be looking for longs at the moment. I think much deeper pullback, and one that I would be interested in would be something down here at 28,427. This is looking really tired, and this overreaction on the vaccine is probably what's driving it right now. So remember, we do have all the political noise still happening as well, so I don't think you're going to get much movement at the moment. More than likely fall back into a range. So the possibility is to fall back into a range, either down to 29,237 and then sort of range in that area, or all the way down to 28,965 and range there. And the last possible move is going to be something like that, which then obviously targets the gap. Now that in itself is fairly interesting. So you've got a measured move potential to target the gap, and if we just put a Fibonacci on this, we're probably at a 50% Fibonacci more than likely. Yep, straight on the 50% Fibonacci. You can see there's a 50 right on cue. Okay, so for those of you that like shorting, I would be reluctant to do it on the 15 until we break. We're going to have to break, we'll pull in a higher, sort of a higher low, or alternative, you're looking to get in right here, and what you're looking to do is have a 100-point stop loss. Okay, I'm kind of reluctant to do it at the moment because overall trend is up, but it does look like that's what's brewing at the moment. So anyway, I think for me, it's sit on hands, stay out of this, or wait for a deeper pullback before looking to get into this. Until then, we're just going to watch the fireworks. I do believe, after a quick look in the forex market, that there are quite a few opportunities on the Aussie dollar. So I think that's where I'm going to focus my effort today. Okay, anyway, guys, so there is a potential short brewing here, a short scalp. It could very well play out, but it's still pretty risky because we could still come up, we could still sort of fake out up until this area here. of 29,642, and the problem is these moves are fairly big. I mean, that's 100 points, and not too long ago 100 points is more than enough on this instrument. So yeah, trend is up at the moment, so it's pointless fighting against the trend, but it is also up to sideways. And for me, that's just a no-no. There's nothing there that's exciting me at the moment. But let's have a look and see what happens during the Europe Open. This rising wedge may play out, and then you've got this measured move all the way down to the gap. Now, that's probably the better move, is to wait for the break below 29,237 for the retest of that, or even this area here. Let's give you a level there. So just on this swing low here on the hour, that at the moment is 29,330. So break and retest of 29,330 will break this rising wedge, and that's going to give you a measured move down to this area here, which is 28,427. But to be honest with you, I wouldn't aim for the gap. I would aim for that top there. Okay, 28,500. So that would be my buying area, to be honest. So big move down, consolidation, another move down. That kind of would be my buying area at the moment. Okay, so yeah, but I think for me, I'm going to sit on the sidelines. I'm not going to try and short this at the moment. So it's really against the bigger trend. Bigger trend is up. Okay, anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.